Again and again, meron tayong bagong modelo, si InMotion C10, pinakamurang dual motor electric scooter sa balat ng Pilipinas. Samahan nyo kami i-unbox to ngayon. Let's go! So, ang laman ng box natin ay una ay charger, dalawang booklet, so manuals. Tapos meron siyang Allen tool na kasama, naka-plastic siya. So, ito naman yan yung kasama. So, Allen tool, tapos mga bolts, 3 perasong bolts. Pretty straightforward naman assembly natin. Handlebar lang tsaka yung ilaw kailangan yung assemblein pag lumabas na sa box. This is InMotion C10, pinakamurang dual drive electric scooter sa balat ng Pilipinas. Quick specifications run through tayo. 10 inches tube type tires, dual mechanical disc brakes, meron tayong C-type suspension harap tsaka sa likod. Ang design nito ay naka dual pole, so stable na stable to sa high speed kahit naka C-type suspension. Meron tayong signal lights, bell, and headlight. Naka thumb throttle to, meron tayong display sa gitna. Battery nito ay 36 volts 10Ah lithium-ion battery that can run from 30 kilometers to 40 kilometers per full charge. Motor natin ay 700 watts per side. So, meron tayong front and rear motor. Totaling of 1,400 watts. Top speed nito is around 35 kph naman. So, if gusto nyo mababa investment nyo at mabawi nyo agad yung ginastos nyo, ito yung pinakamurang dual motor electric scooter ngayon sa Pilipinas. Very petite build. Mabilis kayo makakasingit-singit sa kalsada. At higit sa lahat, sobrang ganda ng suspension nito. This unit is now available at Motor Electric. Message us for inquiries. Away. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do. If you want to drop by, we are open 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday to Sunday with a 12 to 1 p.m. lunch break. We are easy to find on Waze and Google Maps. Just search Motor Electric Vehicle PH Tondo. Address and contact details are on the screen. Away.